5, 6, 7. Now if I'm doing the enshufla or the shuffling the steps where I move my partner to the other side. So in the earlier video, I always moved my partner, the cross body towards my left, I moved her here. Now since I'm moving my left leg back, I would move my partner towards my right. Okay, so the counts would go basic 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I move my open break 1, 2, 3 and go back 5, 6, 7. So 1 and 5 would move back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 for the enshufla 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's the step 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now I can do a hammer lock, a basic right turn hammer lock, and then do the enshufla for this also. 3. So it's 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm hammer lock here. So then I go back 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7 enshufla 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that's how it goes. Basically, I'll do it again. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm open break 2, 3, 5, 6. Come together and go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6.